Dear student, I am Rajamani Ali. I hope all you are fine. So today on 17th of July, I am going to start your class 5 computer third lesson that the chapter name is MS Office at a glance. Okay. So in previous class you people something learn about that MS Word, MS Excel, etc. Okay. So in this lesson we will learn all the application software part from MS Office. Okay. So in this lesson we will learn that applications of MS Office. So what type of application available in MS Office package. Okay. Then components of MS Office 2010 window, documentation using MS Word, so how we use documentation in MS Word, then presentation using MS PowerPoint 2010 and its important features, how we use presentation in MS PowerPoint, we can learn from this lesson. Then tabular data manipulation using MS Excel, so how we use MS Excel from the package of MS Office, so we can learn from this lesson. Okay, so at first today I am going to discuss first on that introduction. Okay, so Microsoft Office is a package provided by Microsoft Corporation which includes various application softwares used for a variety of purposes. So Microsoft Office is a package, and in this package we have got lots of application to use. Okay, such as MS Word is used for creating and processing Word documentation. So from the MS Office package we can get that MS Word. So with the help of MS Word, MS Word application used for creating and processing Word documents. Okay, so in previous class something you learn about that MS Word. Okay, so MS Access, next another application is from MS Office is that MS Access. MS Access is used for creating and maintaining database. Then the common features of MS Office irrespective of the version are explained in the chapter. So various types of application available in MS Office packages. Okay, so since the first release of MS Office, several other versions have come out in the Windows platform. These are so MS Office, MS Office Microsoft Corporation provided MS Office packages. So MS Office is first come out at year 95. So this package we know that MS Office 95, then MS Office 97, then upgraded version MS Office 2000 come, then upgraded version MS Office 2002 come, and 2002 we call that XP. Then MS Office upgraded, another upgraded version 2003 come, then MS Office 2007, then MS Office 2010, then MS Office 2013, 16 and 19 version come. So these all are the upgraded version, but most people in today world, most people used MS Office 2007 packages because it is easy to use. Okay, so and another people also be used another upgraded packages of MS Office, but most people use MS Office 2007. Okay, so for today now bye. In next class I will discuss another topics of this lesson.